That's the world's largest popcorn machine. Welcome to the video. Sure. We are in Kamala Beach and we're on our way to a restaurant that was recommended by Cupid's Stunt called the Pond Restaurant. We're gonna go suss that out right here on Kamala Beach. Right, here we are, we've made it. The Pond. Oh, we just smashed that fee. That was a nice little spot to eat. How much was all that food? $3.90. $3.90 for all that food, so nearly 20 bucks for 2 people, 2 drinks, 2 feeds. That was yum. Good spot, thanks for the recommendation. Right along the beach. I think we're gonna go hit another beach now and maybe go for a swim. Also, do you like the new specs? Macy doesn't like them, but I like them. I think they look sweet as. Surin Beach. Surin Beach, just one beach over from where we were just having lunch. Cracker beach, bro. Pretty much every single beach is a cracker beach. We're probably going to get harassed a bit here, but it's the spot to be anyway. She's fucking bright, mate. Holy shit, I can barely see. It is so bright.
Yeah, just come out behind the cloud.
I literally cannot see a thing. Should have kept the Oakleys on, mate. Alright, here we are. Yeah. Look at the waves. Wow. Oh, it's nice though. Wow. Dead girl in the water.
We're taking those photos too. Oh.
Alright, we've just pulled up to Carnival Magic, which we are both very excited to go to. It is like a theme park sort of thing. I don't know too much about it, to be honest, but it's just like this huge castle and it's literally like down the road from where we're staying. So we thought we can't stay down the road and not come. And there's no animals used in the production of it all. It's all animal cruelty free, so we're cool there. But this is what it looks like. We came down here the other night to have a look at it and it's just like a sensory overload. which is Thailand anyway, isn't it? But wow. Right, let's get our way in here, I suppose. There's an all-you-can-eat buffet, cuz. That's why we got the tickets, really, eh? But nah. Alright, we'll suss out these tickets and we'll get in there. This place is humongous, mate. Arts and crafts shop. Oh. I think this might be like a Disneyland type of vibe. Lights, 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 lights. World's largest popcorn machine, bro. In the world. It smells so good. Extreme cheese, chocolate, salt and caramel flavor all up there. That's crazy. We found the entrance to the buffet. Ooh, up there. I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
And here it is, mate. I'm ready. Feels very grand, eh? It feels like I'm going to like the ball. I feel like Cinderella. It's taking us to our seats. This place is ginormous. Bro, look at the size of this place.
It smells pretty good.
Oh, there's food all around the edges. Sawadee Cup! Holy helmet. Alright, here we go. C64.
How many person?
2. Wow. Thank you very much, brother. Cuz. Wow, bro, this is a little bit overwhelming, I'm not gonna lie. So, all the walls have got different cuisine from different parts of the world. International food here, Indian food, Thai food. I don't even know where to start. I'm so hungry, so I'm glad I'm hungry. Gonna be full soon. Soup and salads? Nah, we don't really need salad, eh? I'm not a rabbit, I'm not gonna fill up on the green stuff. Wow, what have we got here? Okay. Oh wow, should we do a tour around first and see what we want?
Yeah. Let's
do that, eh? Little cupcakes and shit. This building's incredible, bro, it's crazy. Oh, mac and cheese. I could be down for some mac and cheese. What does this look like?
It's pretty yum.
Corn on the cob and butter, fish fingers, fried chicken. Okay, we're gonna cut a lap around the whole joint. Figure out what we want to get first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, maybe seventh.
Oh, this is the vegetarian.
Ooh, vegetarians, get away from me. Alright, I gotta show you what we've acquired so far. Round 1. Fried chicken, fried fish in a Szechuan sauce, chicken in a mustard sauce, mac and cheese, and green curry. curly fries and a frosted watermelon drink. Right, fuck, I'm excited. Fish Szechuan sauce. Yum. Fried chicken. That's pretty good. Dip it in the Szechuan sauce, I think. Oh. Oh wow. I think I just got a hit of that mustard sauce when I smashed that. Wow, bro. And that was yum. She's arrived. What did she get? What did she get?
I have all sorts of shit in here. Being honest.
We're loving it. We're loving it. Yeah, that chicken's cooked really, really well. Like, that's a nice way of cooking it. With that mustard, yum. Try these tomatoes out. Yum. The beef green curry. I'm just gonna say yum for everything, I think. Let's try this mac and cheese here. Oh, that green curry's got a bit of a kick to it. This mac and cheese, when I scooped it, that doesn't look like mac and cheese to me. Like, where's the macaroni? But we'll try it. Nothing special, just mac and cheese. Yum. First feed smashed. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little full. But we settle, make room. This place closes at 8:30 and it's currently 6:30, so we've got 2 more hours to smash food here. Got a little drink, creaming soda. It's starting to fill up in here a little bit, so I think it's probably best if I go line up again. Doing this one hand is going to be fucking difficult. He's in the same boat as me. Right. Stir-fried pork. With black pepper sauce. Sweet and sour fish. Yeah, we got this system down pack cuts. I think I'm gonna gap it from this aisle, like I'm on the bike. See you later. This place is hectic, bro. It's huge. It's starting to fill up too. We got here right as it opened, but yeah, it's starting to get packed now. There's heaps of people just smashing all sorts of shit. Pad Thai, bro. Wow. Carnival Pad Thai, man. Maybe not Pad Thai. I might just hook what I've got now, bro. I'm just gonna eat what I've got now, and then I might go for something sweet next. Maybe get the sweet tooth involved. I actually can't remember what this one was, the black pepper one, but very peppery. What is this? Cuz, am I supposed to eat this?
Yeah. Go.
Oh nah. Fuck, we got no serviettes or nothing. Oh fuck. Okay, I'll down all this. Oh, that was spicy as. There was some sort of pepper, I guarantee it. It's someone's birthday. Yeah. Alright, I'm still pretty full, but we're gonna go find the dessert. There it is. I found it already. Okay. It's a bit cutesy. We'll see what we can find anyway. Looks like a little cupcake situation, maybe some little jellies, maybe some brownie. Oh, some sponge cake maybe. Cuz, okay, we'll get one of these. One of these. Gotta try, yeah, we gotta try one of these. Oh. It's slippery. What?
You need this.
Yeah, I need the little ones. Okay, yeah, bang. The top piece of it. Bang. Gets it pushing in front of me. Let's get the fuck out of here. Wow, that was a high stress interaction right there, but we got some goodies. Now I don't know what any of these are. Okay, Macy's only done and gone and got us some more desserts. So what have we got here, Macy? What's here?
This is chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake?
Buttercream cake.
Oh, buttercream cake.
I don't know, but they look like they're from the Christmas and New Year's part. And
Okay.
some papaya for grade and some pineapple.
Some papaya. Okay. Oh wow, it's quite soft. Yeah, I've never tried papaya, so here we go. I wanted to try it. That tastes like it's an edible. It tastes like it's been like made with like canna butter. That tastes like weed, bro. I just went to go toilet, bro. I don't want to try. I don't want to get any kids taking a piss in the urinal. Oh, it's just one bloke down there. Look at the state of this place, mate. I'll spare you the, you know. He's laughing at me. Nah, cuz. Little shitters. Look at these little shitters up to my shin, mate. Little kids shitters. What a toilet, bro. What a toilet. Yeah, look, kiddie toilets. Wow, bro. I almost like want to take a shit just for the sake of it, you know? Alright, we're out of this fucking joint. Man, I'm so full, it's ridiculous. Oh yeah, here you go, here's a view of the fucking place, mate. Wow. What on earth? This is a bubble. Yeah, so there's a couple shows on tonight, but apparently you can't take the camera in, so I don't know, but yeah, there's still heaps of shit to do here apparently, or it seems to be anyway. Tidy up. There's so much going on right now. He knows what he's doing. No pressure, let's go, no pressure. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
It's that easy. He just keeps getting them in. Oh, there's another toilet here, so I'm going to be the weird fella recording in the what the... This is a toilet, bro. What the? There's a shitter. Oh, and you can play games while you're taking a shit. Is that what's going on here? I think that's what's going on here. Look at the hand soap, bro. It's like a little candy dispenser. I gotta have a look at one of these toilets. Bro, I just want to take a piss. Alright, now that I've taken a piss, I better wash my hands. Hand soap. Let's crack up. Strawberry, orange, or lemon? Ah, strawberry. Come on. Give it to me. Oh. Oh, there it is. Alright. Smells like strawberry. Oh, I just got it on my fucking nose. Where does the water come out of? This is crazy, bro. Houston, I've got a big shit on the way. This is the NASA one, I don't know. See what? Okay. This shit is absolutely crazy. Let's get out of the toilet. The scariest. You wouldn't want to come here on accident and try to take a piss in those toilets. I've got Macy a surprise gift.
Thank you.
Little blow of flower. Right.
Wow.
Oh, it's a bit small. Perfect. What a beautiful girl. King of the castle, king of the castle. I have a chair. I don't know what else to say, bro. It's pretty full on. We've got a couple shows to go see soon, so that'll be interesting, but I can't take yous with me. You have to even leave your phone. They lock it all up. Don't know why. This is where the first show is, apparently. How about this? We got to put our shit in the locker, phones, cameras, all, but then they say, do not leave your valuables in the locker. See you later. I've snuck back here. That's the size of this place.
Oh, did we just go see it?
Bro, we just got out of the show. It was hectic. The scale of it was fucking crazy, bro. Like humongous. Like a big, I don't even know how to explain it.
It's like a massive like parade.
Like just a massive parade, bro. It was crazy. Like huge big structures that would like go across the stage, And like big floats, but like tall as, bro, like humongous theatre. And it was like the history of like Thai mythology, I think. But it was really impressive. Back into the chaos, mate. And here it is, bro. The lights. It's pretty tall, but everything's pretty big. Just finishing off with the lights. The little light show thing at the end of it, and then we're out of here, I think. Yeah, what a vibe this place has been. It's pretty cool, but if they didn't have the show, then it probably wouldn't be worth it. But it's pretty incredible just to sort of see it. I thought we were finished, but we're actually not. It's pretty cool, bro. Look at this shit. Seems like a lot of money that's gone into this, man. Like, far out, it'd be so much. It's pretty cool. You might be wondering why my face is just bright purple right now, and this is why. So here is the nine world records it holds at this place. So the world's tallest theatre proscenium, which is where we saw that show that I couldn't show you about, but that place was massive. World's longest parade float, which I also got a video of at the end. That was the finishing act. World's largest outdoor chandelier. World's largest LED structure. World's largest paper mache sculpture. World's largest popcorn machine. World's largest LED sculpture. Hey, wasn't that what that one there was for? No. Did they beat their own record? They must have beat their own record. That's cheeky. The world's most lights in a light and sound show. And last but not least, they pimped out the High Ace, the world's most lights on a van. When I get home back to work, I'll have to pimp out my van and take that record. We've only gone and made it back to the world's largest popcorn machine. Macy says we need to get some, so we're gonna get some. The flavors are cheese, salt, chocolate or caramel, and we're gonna go with cheese. So here it is.
What size? The jumbo one?
No, it's just a large one. Old mate gets it from up here and drops it down. I feel like this popcorn's gonna be stale as fuck. It's been sitting in there all day, probably. I guess we'll find out. The smell from this popcorn machine's pretty good. I'm kind of excited to try, I'm not gonna lie. Cheese flavored popcorn, bro. I don't know, bro. Look at the size of the biggest size you can get here. Like, look at this. Whoa.
Thank you.
Kapung kap. Alright, here we go. We got the cheese flavored popcorn from the world's largest popcorn machine. It's pretty good. That's gonna do for today. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be here, same place as always.